Okay, so welcome to this video, and right here I'm currently in a trade on GBP USD. Now this trade is currently running 90 pips, like 90 pips. Sheesh, almost close to like 100 pips. Let me show you guys everything. Let me show you guys my entry for this trade. Now you could see my entry for this trade is crazy. It's crazy right here. And I put my stop loss, right above to secure profit. What I was able to, get my entry like this is using the moving averages. I used the 9 moving average and the 25 moving average. A simple explanation of how this goes is whenever you see price above the 25 and the 9 moving average, it signifies a buy in the market, and whenever you see price below the 9 and the 25 moving average, it signifies a sell in the market. Now the moving average also acts like support and resistance, so it can act as dynamic support and resistance. Now we could see some points when price gets to the moving average pushes it up, still the same thing, pushes it up, and exactly that's how the market is. You can basically use from this things I said and know how I was able to get my entry. So this was like 8 a.m 7 a.m in the morning. This is Monday morning. You have to get that bread early in the morning on Monday. Now the first thing I had to look is price above the moving averages or is price below the moving averages. Now when I came to the market was obviously above the moving average, above the 9 moving average and above the 25 moving average. One thing I also do is whenever price is above the 9 moving average, it's trying to signify that that trend is intact. But whenever you see price going below the 9, that means it's trying to signify a retracement in the market, and you want to see how price reacts to the 25. Now because see right here, I placed in my buy in the market at this point right here when price was just starting to go above the 9 moving average. Obviously the retracement happened right here, but we could see how the moving average held price, that it was able to get back up again. So for this trade I was just looking at everything, and I was just looking at how price reacted to the 25 moving average. Now I took a trade on Euro USD. I put my stop loss below, some pips below the 25 moving average, but price still went down. I hit my stop loss, and I just looked at everything that was happening. I saw that price was going up back again. I just had to enter. So it's also something you need to watch out. Sometimes price might just go down, hit your stop loss, drop a week, and start going up back again. So it's also something you need to watch out. So I just looked at how market was reacting to it. We could see those 2 points to show that price is respecting the moving average. Obviously price is respecting the moving average. So market went on. We had this pure bullish run right here, and this red candlestick. When I saw this red candlestick, I was like, okay, is price trying to react to this resistance right here in the market? But from what was happening, market was just reacting to the 9 moving average, and price went up back again. Now the moving average is a lifesaver. I don't think that the moving average is just ordinary indicator, something like that. The moving average is a lifesaver. So we could see everything that happened right here up to this moment. I've been holding this trade until price gets to the resistance of the market, or if I see price going below this 9 moving average, then I'll just go ahead and close my trade. But apart from that, I'm going to be holding this trade on. Now I already recorded when I was getting my entries, so let me show you guys when I was taking that entry and how it looks now. Like when you look at it before the trend was starting, you'd be like, oh, is this what it is, or something like that. So that's basically it. Now I placed in my buy right here in the market. Now this was when price was reacting to the moving average, and was just spiking a lot. So I think at that point there was something going on in the market, was in news. So this was when I held the trade. Already 43 pips up. So this was when I held the trade. Everything was just starting to go up. Just watching everything carefully at this point. Now I didn't place my stop loss because of what happened to me in Euro USD. Now on Euro USD, my stop loss got hit and every of those things after going my direction, which was crazy. Now that was exactly what was happening, and you can see the USD trade was just going so well until that that candlestick, this candlestick right here, was just trying to come down. You can see exactly what I'm saying. Imagine seeing the price go up. Imagine seeing price go up and immediately just start going down like that. So definitely this was really playing with my feelings until the 9 moving average came as a lifesaver. Just came in clutch, and yeah, everything was just that was basically it. I was just watching the market. Then 9 moving average closed above, and this one was closing above. closing above. It was just closing above. So let's see. Let me speed it up a little bit. See, close above. Now at this point, I know that it was a safe point for me to place my stop loss. So I went ahead and secured my profit. Like, okay, secure my profit at this point, and I don't need to think about it from here. So that's basically what I did. And yeah, let me show you guys everything that happened. I think, let me fast forward it. So yeah, I think this was where I recorded to. Time is currently 10:44 p.m. This is Asian session, or sorry, this is the session where there is no session going on in the market. Asia session is not going on, New York session is not going on, nothing is happening now. So I expect like a little bit of a consolidation here, but you know, when price gets to a normal session, we'll see how it reacts. Now since it's going to be night time, I'm going to, you know, raise up that stop loss a little bit, raise it up, secure some profit. Tomorrow morning, London session begins by 9 a.m. So the London session begins by 9 a.m. and I'll see how the market is reacting. If it's still, you know, looking fine and it's ready to get to that, you know, resistance point in the market, I'll hold it. But if I see, you know, price go below the 9 moving average, because I'm not ready for any retracement, I'm not ready after holding the shit for this period, for this long as I'm not ready to hold my trade for any retracement. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys were able to gain value. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you're not a part of the family, make sure you hit the red subscribe button. Now, if you want to get a deep dive of my strategy and you want to know when I'm entering and exiting a trade, you can go ahead and join the mentorship, malvinmgt.com. All of that is on there. And yeah, I love you guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.